Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your network and choosing an ecosystem. This determines device compatibility. Once you verify your router supports 4 GHz and has a reserved IP range, pick a hub or cloud provider that matches your devices. Make a short priority list, locks first, then thermostat, lights, cameras, so you connect the most critical gear first. While you do this, power up devices and keep model numbers handy. This saves time during pairing and minimizes firmware mismatches that block setup. You now pair each device through the Hub app or native app. Start with one category to reduce interference. Once done resetting to factory state, follow in-app prompts, scan QR codes, type pairing codes, and grant permissions. Make sure to update firmware immediately after successful pairing to patch security holes. While pairing, segment your network using a guest SSID or VLAN so EOT devices are isolated from personal devices. This limits lateral risks and keeps the system responsive under load. You finish by creating automations and locking down access. Once automations are set, time schedules, presence detections, and sensor triggers, enable two-factor authentication and change all default passwords to unique ones. Make routine backups or export configurations so you can restore quickly. Finally, test end-to-end, simulate power loss, reboot hub, and test remote access. If something fails, first reboot the hub and device, then check firmware and network isolation. That often resolves pairing and connectivity issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.